Hi guys, I have tried this new Qwen 3.8 model from Qwen and I literally got disappointed with this model. From their official website Qwen 3.8 Max Preview, I have chosen this model and here you see the same prompt for generating the 3D globe dashboard I gave, but I did not got the expected output. Then here you see that again the same question I repeated, that it is not visible, it is not visible, and it is not visible. So after 2 to 3 iteration, also it did not find the root cause and I was not getting this globe here in the middle. Then what I did, I gave that code to ChatGPT and I asked it that what is the error inside this code, and here you see it has found a lot of mistakes inside this code. And if I show you, here you see there are five mistakes it has found. And now after that, what I did, I took the help from the Tencent HY3. Currently they are giving the free access till July 21st. And what I did, I actually downloaded this code from the Qwen, and I made a folder, and inside that I just keep the code. Where is that? Qwen 3.8? Yes, this one. Inside that I placed this HTML file, and then I took the help of this HY3 inside the Cloud code. Okay, so inside Cloud code I am using this HY3 model. Okay, and I asked it that why this problem is happening, please fix it. And here you see what I asked. See this HTML file, and here why after 2 to 3 second time the middle globe canvas is getting disappear. See the image and fixed it. Now here you see it has found there are lots of problems, and after that here you see it actually fixed it, and here you see updated it, and after that I got this kind of output. Okay, I got this kind of output. Now the thing is that when I asked the same thing to this model Qwen 3.8 Max Preview, it was not getting the point that what I'm asking. I am again and again asking that the globe is not getting appear, it is getting disappear. Please fix it. Please fix it. 2 to 3 times I actually told it, but it did not recognize my comment. Okay. And now another thing is that when with the help of Tencent HY3, I fixed this model. Sorry, I fixed the code and I got this kind of output. But this actually not looking beautiful. If I show you the Kimi K3 output, okay, so those who have watched my Kimi K3 video, here you see this is the Kimi K3 output. Make it full screen. So if you compare this output, okay, this output and this one, okay, now you tell me which one is best to you, this one or this one. If I just keep both side by side, okay, so here is left side is Qwen 3.8 Max model, and right side is Kimi K3. Which one is good to you, man? Obviously Kimi K3, right? Kimi K3 actually have given the great, beautiful, amazing. Here you see 3D globe, right? And not only that, if I show you this output, this is from the GLM 5.2. So inside GLM 5.2 also I gave the same prompt, and if I make it in a full screen, here you see this is the output. Means GLM 5.2 output is also best, and it is actually very beautiful than the Qwen 3.8 Max Preview. I don't know what Quantum is doing, but actually when I was testing this model, it literally wasted my time. Means they are using this thinking capability. So when you will give the prompt to this model, you will see that it will take a lot of time. Okay, which I can understand that when I gave the prompt to Kimi K3 Max and also GLM 5.2 Max, it took almost 10 minutes to generate it. But in one shot, they have generated it. Okay, but although Qwen is taking around 6 to 7 minutes, but in one shot it actually generated this without any globe. All the globe is getting visible. So if I refresh it in front of you, you will understand. Okay, I actually deployed it from there. Here you see they have their deployed option, so I deployed it from there. Here you see globe is visible, right? But after some time you will see that globe will get disappear. See, globe got disappear, right? So I actually tried to explain it to this model did not got my point. Okay, I am actually not happy with this model, and also the output. What is it, man? What is it? I have option. Okay, I have option for this Kimi K3, and I have option for the GLM 5.2. I have option for the what can I say, for the premium model what can I say, GPT 5.6 Sol and Tira. Okay, they are giving so much great output, and here you see they have written they are massive 2.4 trillion parameter, and also second only to Fable 5. Means Fable 5 is so great model, man, and they are saying that they are second only to Fable 5. I don't know why. Maybe this is a preview version, but preview version should be good, right? Means when I tested the last time Qwen 3.7 max model, it was really a great model. So when you are making Qwen 3.8 Max, although it is a preview, but you are saying that it is second only to the Fable 5, means it should have the great output at least. But what is it, man? What is it? Okay, and also you see that alignment are not correct, means it got overlapped. Here also you see that the control is on the right hand side. This is not correct, man. So if you want to test it, you can actually go inside this coder. This is the coder official this ID. Okay, they have actually partnered with this coder, and here you see Qwen 3.8 Max Preview model. You will find it. Coder spelling is this. Which one? QUODER. Okay, and also on Alibaba's token plan you will find it, and they have given this link, and also which one? Yes, this is the thing, guys. Yes, this one plan every modality great value. So they have actually released another new plan where you will find this 3.8 max preview, GLM 5.2, DeepSeek version 4 Pro, this model, and also Happy Horse 1.1 for video generation in one plan. So they have released this light standard pro. You can actually consider this, buy this, it is your choice. But overall the feedback that I have got, sorry, overall the experience that I have got from this model Qwen 3.8 I have shared with you, and they are going to open it soon. When they will release it as a public, not the preview version, then I will test it again and we'll see that actual capability. Okay, but the testing that I have got I have shared with you, and one thing I will request you that you please also test it, and please let me know your experience with this model, that what kind of experience you are getting, because my experience is not good. So you please share your experience with different prompts. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.